After much talk, what was once the island's main public health facility, the former Victoria Hospital as we know it, will soon be no more. The facility, which opened its doors in 1887 with a 24-hour operating schedule, was converted to the Respiratory Hospital in March 2020 to manage the influx and isolation of COVID-19 cases. However, with the pandemic now over and the Castries Wellness Center limited in its capacity to deal with the growing number of patients, the facility will be repurposed to the Castries Urban Polyclinic. A section of the Respiratory Hospital will be closed down to commence that transformation come Friday, June 16, 2023.
The urgent care section of the Victoria Hospital or Respiratory Hospital will be closed to the public to allow for the necessary renovation works for the Castries Urban Polyclinic. The public is advised to access care at any of the other wellness centers. The services of the Cuban Eye Clinic remain open and available to the public from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. daily, Monday to Friday for eye screening, pre-operative care and follow-up care. Surgical eye procedures are scheduled to resume in September of 2023.
The increase of non-emergency cases at the Millennium Heights Medical Complex is also placing much strain on health services and resources.
Presently, there's a need for a facility in the Castries region with extended operating hours of up to midnight to include weekends and holidays to manage the urgent care cases with basic lab and diagnostic services. This will also require increased human resources to allow for the extended hours of operation and increased services. We also note the overutilization of the emergency room of the Millennium Heights Medical Complex for non-emergency cases, leading to long waiting times and delayed care and the frequent bed shortage at the Millennium Heights Medical Complex.
The public can still access eye care services at the Respiratory Hospital despite the closure of the urgent care unit.
The services of the Cuban Eye Clinic remain open and available to the public from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. daily, Monday to Friday for eye screening, pre-operative care and follow-up care. Surgical eye procedures are scheduled to resume in September of 2023. The public may contact the Cuban Eye Clinic to book an appointment by calling 456-8282. Once the Castries Urban Polyclinic is completed, the services currently provided at the Castries Wellness Center will be shifted to the Castries Urban Polyclinic.
The Respiratory Hospital's admission block, the Accident and Emergency Department, the First Ward Dolto Building, and the section designated to the Cuban Eye Clinic will be repurposed to allow for the conversion to the Castries Urban Polyclinic. Gina Filippi, HDS News Force.